to more of spring, summer 2023. Hi everybody, welcome back. This is my spring summer video too. So here is a trench that came in that was not in the buy book. Really pretty, also really pricey. I'll show you the tag here in just a moment. We'll put it up on the screen. I just wanted to show you the style of this. Pretty cute pockets, actually snap, which is nice. And you can see the length, which is about past my knee. So here's the back. And it is a beautiful soft turquoise. Probably wouldn't be added to my wardrobe, but I did want to show you what it looks like. And now I'll try on some more pieces. All right, so these jeans are 40. Let me get up close so you can see the detail on them. They're a little bit big in the back, but overall have a nice fit. I don't really know if they have stretch. I'll have to take a look. But here's one little detail you might like. You can probably see it in the back mirror. And that is the ankle zip. So that's pretty cute. I like the shape of these. I think they look really good. Okay, now we'll take a look at the top. So this is a 36. It feels really nice on. Actually, it's a little scratchy from the little sequins, but this is how it fits. It is a pricier piece. I'll show you the tags here up in the corner for both of these in just a minute. And here's how it looks in the back. So overall, again, a nice, pretty cute look, I think. Probably not an outfit I'll add to my collection, but wanted to show you what they look like. Okay, so those jeans do have 2% stretch, much better than the prior ones. This little outfit, both of these pieces are 38. I don't like my belly buttons. I don't know if I would wear this one, but it does have a cardigan as well. I don't have in here at the moment, but this is what it looks like from the back. You can see in the mirror over here how it fits on the behind. And I will show you the tags here in a minute, and I'll try to get the cardigan by the next time I do another video and see how it looks. I think it's really cute. It definitely has good potential. I just think that maybe it needs the cardigan with it. And it does come in pink as well. So have a wonderful day. That is the end of my very quick video for the second video of 23 spring summer. It's just beginning to come in, so we're just starting to get some new pieces. Have a wonderful day.